B1 English Listening Practice, Exploring Creativity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic, creativity. Often, we think of creativity as something only artists need. However, it's a valuable skill that enriches our lives and solves everyday problems. What is creativity? Creativity is the ability to use our imagination to develop new and original ideas or solutions. Whether it's crafting an art piece, devising a unique solution to a problem, or inventing a new game. Being creative involves producing something that did not exist before. Conversely, the lack of creativity typically involves following existing patterns or instructions without deviation, which is necessary in some situations but less fulfilling. The role of creativity in professional and daily life. In many professional settings, strict adherence to rules and plans is crucial for efficiency and safety. However, there are times when thinking outside the box is necessary to improve methods or solve unforeseen problems. Balancing these can lead to better outcomes and innovations. Encouraging creativity in children. Creativity starts young. Reflecting on my childhood, endless days were spent playing outside, where my friends and I created games from our imagination. This form of play is vital as it develops problem-solving skills and cognitive flexibility. However, with the rise of digital entertainment, children today are less likely to engage in creative play. They consume content passively, which can limit their creative development. The consequences of limited creative engagement. A lack of creativity can have profound effects, especially in children. It may lead to diminished problem-solving skills, reduced empathy, and poorer communication abilities. Conversely, overly permissive creative environments can also be challenging, making it hard for children to appreciate boundaries and rules. How to cultivate creativity. To foster creativity, engage in activities that challenge you to think differently. Artistic endeavors like drawing, writing, or performing arts are excellent, but so are less conventional tasks like cooking new recipes or gardening. Creative thinking can be incorporated into many aspects of life. Discussion questions. Let's reflect on creativity together. 1. Can you think of a situation where being creative helped solve a problem? 2. How does digital media consumption affect our creativity? 3. What are some ways we can encourage children to engage more creatively? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's discuss how we can bring more creativity into our lives. Thank you for watching today's discussion on creativity. I hope it inspires you to incorporate more creativity into your daily life. Remember, creativity is not just for artists, it's for everyone. Stay tuned for more videos that help you think differently and learn effectively. Until next time, keep learning and stay creative.